Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ridhi. In case you're new here, welcome. And today I am doing the New Year's Eve makeup look. I am calling this as a New Year's glam makeup look, but really it's just a glam makeup look. So you can wear this look for any of your special occasions. It doesn't really have to be New Year's, obviously. In my last video, my lips were doing the talking, but in this video, I really wanted my eyes to do the talking because Rona is here to stay and so are the masks. Now, if you already like the makeup look you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without any further ado, let's get to the video. Now, since Charlotte Tilbury, oh, there was an accent over there, clearly. Okay, since Charlotte Tilbury, I, I don't know where that accent is coming from. Excuse me, girl. I'm sorry, but that accent has got a cut, okay? Since Charlotte Tilbury has recently launched on Nika, I plan on using quite a bit of Charlotte Tilbury products in this video. So to prime, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Look at that, so thick. Okay, so this actually is a sample size. I did also get like full size. I was not using it really, so I just gave that away to my mother, and my mother loves Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. See, honestly, to me, like, I don't see the magic of the magic cream. Now, don't take me wrong, it's a lovely, lovely moisturizer. It also leaves quite a bit of glow on your skin. But my sheer problem with this is that it stings my eyes. Like, I can cry any fucking time this eye cream on. So to prime my eyes, I am going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Custard. I need a backup of this concealer because I love it so much. It's like a very lightweight concealer but has a pretty nice coverage as well. Because of the magic cream, my eyelids are really, really creamy, as you can see. They look very, very shiny. So I'm going to use a little bit of powder today. So I am going to start with the Charlotte Tilbury Exagger Eyes. This palette appealed to me much more than the Pillow Talk. So obviously I'm going to start with this matte shade all over my crease. I'm not going to do a complete look using just this palette because I want my look to be dramatic. These shadows are just way too light for my skin tone personally. I'm going to grab a fluffy brush. Now here's the thing. I got this palette because people just rave and rave and rave about these eyeshadow palettes. But personally, I'm being very, very honest. I don't find anything too unique to justify that price tag for only 4 eyeshadows. I don't get it. I'm being honest. I don't. The shadows are beautiful. They blend beautifully. Everything is great about these shadows, but that price tag is way too high, baby. Now I'm gonna move to another palette, which is the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. Now, even Dose of Colors is really expensive, but the shadow quality of Dose of Colors is like chef's kiss. If you have not tried Dose of Colors, you're missing out on some amazing, amazing eyeshadows. You really, really need to try out. You can get these on beautybay.com, and they do have quite a bit of different color stories in these palettes. The one I have is Blushing Berries, and this is how it looks. It's the older packaging. My favorite palette of all time is the Dose of Colors Daisy X Katy palette. If you get that, just get that. Also, Beauty Bay is running a sale right now, so snap. I'm gonna go into this shade first. This is going in my crease to build up the intensity. No, and to add a little bit of like berry tone. See how this color looks so like almost brown in this palette, but it translates to be as a very, very like subtle berry. This is one of my favorite shades in this palette. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do a voiceover because for a period of time there my mic was not on. So I'm gonna dip into that deeper shade with a clean, dry liner brush and gonna carve out my crease where I want my cut crease to start and wing it out from the outer corner. Then I'm gonna take my brush and start to blend it all out because I don't want it to be as harsh as it was. Now I'm using my concealer to clean it all out. It's very, very important to clean out and carve out with concealer because once you do, the look just comes together and starts to look so much more precise. As you can see, just looks so much more clear and clean. I'm going back in with that liner brush just to make it even more precise. Now I'm going in with the pop shade from the Charlotte Tilbury palette. So it's basically a lot of glitter. Doesn't have any like base color to it. That I'm gonna put all around my crease, and then I'm gonna take a brush, spray it with some face mist, and I'm gonna grab that shadow. Doing this way, it just makes it go sharper and brighter and shinier. Now I'm again going back in with the eyeliner brush and that dark shade, and I'm gonna connect it to the end of this cut crease. So I'm going to like wet the shadow a little bit so that it's like more like preciser and easier. Then I just use a wet wipe and my nail tip to make it like really, really sharp, something like that. Now I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in shade 4. If you want to purchase one thing from Charlotte Tilbury, purchase this. This is so stunning. You will see it for yourself. It just gives you such a stunning, healthy glow. This product does not have any like shimmer or like whatever like glitter in it, but the glow that this gives you is unrealistically stunning. I want more shades in this. I want like a lighter shade as well. I am just going to use my foundation brush to blend it in. Now you can use this product in various different ways. You can use it as I am underneath your foundation. You can mix it in with your foundation. You can use it on top of your foundation as a highlighter, or you can even like use it just by itself on your like those like naturally beautiful days. Look at my face, it's just glowing and healthy. It's stunning. It's one of my favorite makeup products ever. For the foundation, I'm gonna use the NARS Sheer Glow in shade Punjab. Even the Hollywood Flawless filter gives me a little bit of coverage, so I don't need to use a lot of foundation, which I usually also do not use a lot of foundation. Just be careful around your eyes. So I'm gonna go back in with the concealer. My favorite trick with concealer is to just like apply it and sort of like leave it to dry a little bit. This is a very creamy concealer. It gives you a lot of time to work with. It does not dry out. If your concealer dries out really quickly, you just gotta blend it really, because or else you won't be able to blend it. But this one is very creamy, so I can sort of like let it sit there and sort of like chill, dry out, and leave naturals. I am using a smaller brush so that I'm precise with my application. So I'm not taking too far down. I'm just like pressing that concealer in right where it was. Now to set it, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in shade 15. Before before setting, I'm just gonna make sure there are like no like concealer setting into my fine lines, because no one wants that. You see how like smoothing this powder is? It just like blurs out everything really. Oh, I was supposed to use this before the powder, and I'm gonna use it now either ways. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Glow Gasm Beauty Light Wand in shade Peach Gasm. I love this. It just gives me like a beautiful wash of color, but with a lot of glow. I'm just gonna use my foundation brush to blend it in. Now I know that the blush is like peach. I might think that it won't work with the eye color, but this blush is not highly pigmented, but the glow that it leaves back is beautiful. I'm gonna use the NARS Laguna bronzer. Bing, 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 ba, bing, bing, boom, ba, bing, 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 ba, bing, bing, bing. Contouring that double chin is very important to me. And while I'm here, I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm Blush. To highlight, I'm going to use the NARS Dual Intensity Blush in Jubilation. It has like two tones in here. I'm just going to go in with golden one. This is really pretty and like soft. It's not like too like intense. It's not glittery or like chunky. It's just glossy, as you can see. I think that the Charlotte Tilbury and NARS products just go together beautifully, in my opinion. Now I'm gonna take my liner brush and go into the black shade. I'm just gonna use this to like tightly line on top of my lash line, just like really close to my lash line, sort of trying to cover up the lash band. Just lining brings the look together so beautifully. Now I'm gonna go into this shade and just gonna line my lower lash line with it, and then I'm gonna blend it out as well. Connect it to the wing outside. I'm gonna take my precise blending brush. I'm gonna go into this shade and just blend it all out. Also, I'm gonna line my lower lash line with a kajal as I did with my upper lash line. I'm like almost out of this mascara now. I need a backup because there's nothing else that I can use And this for my lower lashes. By the way, this is the MAC Extended Play Lashes. I am using the MAC Lip Pencil in Spice. So annoyed. I wanted like a cool toned nude, but that's just not happening. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. Wait, let me try. The one I found is the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in shade Posh Spice. See, that's cool tone. Now I'm just gonna mix in the Clinique one on top, and hopefully that's gonna look good. I usually do not go this cool tone with my makeup looks. This time I did, and I think that it just looks so sexy. And that is the finished look, you all. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, learned a new makeup look. Wishing you all a very, very happy new year. Now, I hope. I'm not sure about this, but like, a girl can hope, right? That 2021 is gonna be a good year. Well, I started my YouTube channel in 2020. It was great on that part, but overall, it was a very, very bad year for me and my family. And I know that for a lot of you guys, it was the worst year ever. So I can just hope that 2021 will bring a lot of joy to all of us, a lot of success, a lot of happiness, a lot of prosperity, that this coronavirus just dies away, just goes away if that's possible. I hope that you guys have already liked the video and I don't have to say that. If you didn't, then please like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more stunning makeup tutorials. Anyways, that is the finished look, you all. I will see you all in 2021 and hopefully a better fucking year. Bye!